Hello children, good afternoon. Welcome to online computer class. Children, today we will start with a very interesting lesson, that is lesson number 3, Microsoft Paint. What is Microsoft Paint? Today we will see in the detail. Paint. You all love to draw picture? Yes or no? I know you all love to draw picture, color it. Okay. You do it with the pencil and on the paper. Okay. Today we will learn how to do it on the computer. So, to do it on the computer, we need one software, that is Microsoft Paint. So, today this lesson is very interesting. We will learn MS Paint. MS Paint is a software which allows us to draw and color the picture on the computer. Now, children, see. This is the paint window. This is MS Paint window. You can see the colors, different color on the screen and one white paper. Okay, like this screen comes when we open the MS Paint. I will teach you how to open MS Paint. Okay, children. Now, see. First, I will introduce you what is MS Paint. You got the idea what is MS Paint. MS Paint is a simple graphic program to draw picture on the screen. As I told you, you can draw picture using tools which are there in this software, in this MS Paint. Okay, to draw with the tools, different tools on the screen and paint them with the different color. Colors are also there to paint the picture. Okay children, now what is MS Paint? What are the features of MS Paint? We will see what we can do in the MS Paint. Okay children, now creating means you can draw picture using tools. Editing, you can change it, you can erase. When you draw on the paper with the pencil, you erase it, right? It means you edit the picture. So like that same way you can do it on the computer also. You draw with the pencil tool and you can use eraser also to edit it, to change it. You can erase it, you can fill different color in this. If you want to change the color, you can change color. So that is called editing. And printing picture. Printing picture means what? You can take the printout of the picture. You can take a printout, whatever you have drawn on the MS Paint, that you can take on the paper using printer. Okay children? And second point is draw pictures, cartoons, etc. It means you can draw any picture like ice cream, ball, then tree. Like these pictures you can draw. Star, you can make a star. You can use different shapes. You can draw lines. Okay. This you can do in the paint, and also cartoon also you can draw. Now, what is the third feature of the MS Paint? To view and edit the scanned picture. What is scanned picture? The picture which is there with you. Suppose your photo. You take your photo, scan it in the scanner, and then it will get saved into your computer. Okay children, that picture, that photo, you can open it in the MS Paint and you can change the size of it in the MS Paint. You can make it big, you can make it small using MS Paint. So these are the features of the MS Paint. What are the features of MS Paint? You can edit the picture, you can create the picture, you can print the picture. Okay children, you can draw cartoons, you can draw any other picture like scenery also you can draw. There are many tools which you can use to draw the picture, okay, and color it. And also you can edit and view the scanned picture. Okay, now we will see how to open MS Paint. Okay children, how to open MS Paint. To open MS Paint, we have to click on the start button. Which button we have to click? On the start button. You can see their start button. Okay, click on that with the mouse. You will get a list of a command. See, list of a menus, like click on the all program. Here can you see all program option? Okay, click on that all program option. When you click on the start button, you get all program option. Click on that all program option. In that all program, you will get a accessories folder. You will get one folder, that is a accessories folder. Okay, click on that accessory folder. Okay, when you click on this accessories folder, it will get open. Okay, and in that folder you will get these all list. In this you can see there is a paint. Can you see the paint is written over there? I have highlighted it in the orange box. Okay, click on that paint. Then you will get a paint window on the screen. Like this paint window you will get on the screen. Okay children, understood how to open MS Paint? What are the steps to open MS Paint? I will repeat for you. First, you have to click on the start button. Then click on the all program option and then click on accessories folder. Open that folder. In that folder there is a paint option. There is a MS Paint. Click on that MS Paint. You will get MS Paint window. Now in this window you can draw the picture. Very simple. These are the steps to open MS Paint. Okay children. Children, now we will see the parts of MS Paint window. I will explain you the parts of MS Paint window. This is a picture is there in the textbook also. Okay, the parts are shown. First one, can you see on the top tab is written, T-A-B, tab. In that tab there is a home tab and view tab. When you will open the MS Paint window, you will get two tabs on the screen. Two tabs on the MS Paint window. That two tabs name are home tab and view tab. Now, one horizontal broad line. On that, below the title bar, you can see one horizontal broad line, that is called ribbon. Can you see it is written R-I-B-B-O-N, ribbon. This is a ribbon with the different options, with the different tools. Okay, on this ribbon you will get different tools. Then in this you can see different tools are there, different groups are there. Can you see the group name? Tool, shape, image, clipboard. These are the different groups on the ribbon. Ribbon is divided into groups and tabs. Tabs and groups. First I explained you tab, home tab and view tab. In each tab there are different groups, that is clipboard group, image, tool, shapes, colors. You can see the color group also. Many colors are there. Can you see that? Okay. Now, the white area, white paper is there, white blank area, that is called drawing area. Which area, children? It is a drawing area. Okay. On that drawing area, you draw the picture using this different tools. Okay, children. Now you understood the screen of MS Paint. First is a tab. This horizontal broad bar, horizontal broad line is a ribbon, and that ribbon is divided into tabs and groups. Tabs and groups, and on the group you can get the different tool. You will get the different tools, and this white paper is called a drawing area. Drawing area. Now we will see using different tools. In the home tab, I showed you the picture of the home tab. On the top, you can see the tab, home tab. Click on the home tab. You will get one option, that is a shape tool, shape. In the shape, you can see, just click on that shape. You can see the different shapes, line, then circle, then square, rectangle, polygon tool, triangle, star, heart shape. These are all different shapes are there which you can use to draw the picture. Okay, you can use these shapes. Now, how to use this shape? You have to select on this shape. You have to click on this shape. Okay, select any shape which you want. Suppose now you can see one shape is highlighted in the orange box. That shape is, see, that is a polygon tool. Okay, click with the mouse. Click with the mouse on that shape. So it will get select. Once you select the shape, take your cursor, take your mouse pointer on the drawing area on the white paper. Your cursor will turn to a crosshair symbol. This way your cursor will change. Your mouse pointer will change to this sign. Okay, this symbol. Then press the left button of the mouse. Which button of the mouse? Left button of the mouse, and drag it on the drawing area to draw the shape. Take any shape from this and take the cursor on the drawing area and drag it. Hold the left button and drag it. That shape will come on the screen. Okay, children, these are the tools. Okay, different shapes. Now, polygon tool, as I told you, this is a polygon tool which is highlighted in the orange color. Okay, click on that polygon tool. You can draw different shapes using polygon tool. You can draw Christmas tree, you can draw star using polygon tool. Now, how to select this polygon tool? You have to click on the home tab, then you have to click on the shape and then select the polygon tool. To draw that, click on the line size. Line size also you can change. Okay, in this you can see the size option. Click on that size option and select the size, line size. Okay, children, then you can draw a star like this star using polygon tool. You have to click one by one. Okay, you have to click with the mouse on the drawing area to draw this star shape using polygon tool. Now, color. Foreground color. How to color the shape? Now, to color the star, to feel color, you need colors, right? So, color palette is given. There are two types, two colors. Okay. One is a color 1 and second is a color 2. What is that color 1? Color 1 is a foreground color. Okay, children, you want to feel the color in the shape, use foreground color. That is, click with the mouse on the color 1 in this color palette. Okay children, now then there is one option in the tools. You can see this tools. Okay, in this, can you see this bucket filled with the color? Okay, click on that bucket. This bucket is called fill with color tool. Okay, click on this and click in the shape in your star, whatever star you have drawn on the screen. In that you fill that color, suppose red color you select, any color you select. Click on the color one, then click on the fill bucket, fill with color tool, and select the red color or yellow color, whichever you like, and click in the shape. Click in the shape, left click in the shape. The color will come into the shape. Okay, shape will get filled with the color. Understood children? Now background color, you all know background color. Okay, color 2 is a background color. You can see color 2 is selected red color. You have to click on the fill with color bucket. That bucket I showed you in the tool option, that bucket you click. So fill with color, select the red color, then right click on the background color. Right click, not left button, right button. When you select color 2, that color 2 comes on the right click and color 1 comes on the left click. Okay, when you click left button, color 1 will come. When you click right button, color 2 will come. Understood children, what is color 1, color 2? Left button of the mouse will give you a color 1, and when you click on the right button on the screen in the shape, it will come color 2. Suppose color 1, if you have select yellow color and color 2 is red color, so when you click left button, it will come color 1, and right button color 2. Understood children? What is foreground color and background color? See, this way you draw star, fill color, yellow color in the star, and show me. Okay children? Thank you. I hope you all understood the lesson MS Paint, Microsoft Paint. Today we have only finished the features of the MS Paint. How to open MS Paint, what are the shapes, tools, MS Paint screen I explained, then polygon tool, and selecting color 1, color 2, and fill with color. Okay children, you practice this at home. You practice this, how to open MS Paint, you practice. Then only you can easily open the MS Paint and you will be able to draw in the MS Paint. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.